Alright guys, I got a little bit of old drone footage for you. This comes from around the Halifax area. Stopped there in the summer. That was a couple of years ago now. But I hope you enjoy the footage, guys. It's a little bit of old drone footage I thought I'd throw in here. A little bit of filler. And then at the end we'll have a look at some more cooking. See if you can figure out what I'm trying to make there. Okay guys, what we've got coming up next is a little bit of cooking, another cooking tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy it. So far we've got the celery, and I just threw the carrots in also, and the peppers are going in next. Okay, we've got the onions, we've got the peppers, we've got the celery, we've got the carrots. It's a surprise. Anybody guess what I'm making? Step one. Get the vegetables ready. so that they're a little bit tender. Here's the next ingredient, hamburger. I know what you're all thinking. No, it's not. But it is a simple meal. Let's let the hamburger get cooked here. Might fog up the camera. This is what we got so far. The hamburger and all the vegetables. And now for my special ingredient. Shepherd's pie mix. And the special seasoning. And what's next? Surprise! Now we got the macaroni in there. And it's in a pressure cooker. So it will be surprised tonight. Okay guys, I've got the van running, that's what you hear. Let's open this pressure cooker up and let's see what we have. Oh, hard to do one-handed. Oh, there we go. Hope she doesn't steam up. Right on. Look at this, guys. I don't know what you call it. Oops. But that's it. That's supper tonight. Ooh. Okay, for the final secret ingredient, just put a couple slices of cheese in here. We'll put that in and it'll get melted down in there. Oh, yeah. Okay. We'll let that melt in.